Hi all. So education is a very, very costly affair today. It is pertinent to a child's future and roadmap. Every parent and student will decide and fumble upon deciding which board they would want to select. Would it be IGCSE? Would it be IB? Would it be CBSE? Today we have with us Kinnari Shah, who is an education and curriculum specialist who will put some light on this matter. Hi Kinnari.
Hello, Natasha. Hello, viewers.
So Kinnari, do tell us, how does a parent decide what is the best board for their child?
It's a very good question, Natasha. First of all, I'd like to address to my viewers that the board does not decide the success of your child.
Okay.
The success is just that by selecting a right board for your child, you're going to help your child to reach where he has to reach in a very easier way. Uh, a board which has is goes around with his ability is going to be a more happier journey for him to educate himself throughout his schooling.
Okay, great. So can you put light on how each of these boards are different from the other?
Uh, I would say there are three ways. Majorly, we can categorize this into three ways that it is different. One is the approach of teaching learning. Second is the assessment, the examination, the way it happens throughout the year or summation of it. And the major difference why people change the boards or something like that is subjects.
Okay.
So if I have to show you a detailed picture of this, I would say when we are talking about differences, first comes CBSE. So when we talk about CBSE, there is a lot of emphasis on accumulation of knowledge, especially in the field of math and science. When you go to ICSE board, the more weightage is given to humanities, commerce, science, and slightly more focus on English and development of English literacy. When we talk about IB, the equal weightage is given to all the subjects, whether it's humanities, commerce, science, or languages. It also gives you an option of selecting the subject um, from the six groups. So you from the six groups, whichever is interesting your child's ability or it's of interest to your child, he can opt for those kind of subjects. Cambridge again has the variety of subjects. There are 70 options. The emphasis given to each is equal: humanity, commerce, science, and language. Um, so this is a basic difference that we can make out when we talk about CBSE, ICSE, IB, and Cambridge.
So is one board more difficult than the other?
Well, Natasha, it's a good question again because this is what It's an assumption. It's a myth. Basically, if you see each board, okay, see, as I rightly said, that CBSE emphasizes a lot on accumulation of knowledge. That means if you have a good recall memory, if you are a rote learner, you produce the things on your own, it's very easy for you to write CBSE exams.
Okay.
Okay, but if you're not, if you're somebody who likes to apply and write it in your own words and things like that, then other board is more preferred than the CBSE one.
Okay.
When we talk about ICSE board, what happens is that there is a test, or you say that assessment happens every now and then in the school. Plus there is a summative assessment. The focus is on skill development of a child also. So that is one way where they use their application knowledge and everything. When it comes to IB, there's a lot of, it's completely different set of assessment system. They have CAS activity where they have to interact with the society, do the project work and everything. There is extended essay where they research on certain topics and then they explore it to the detail. So I feel that it also helps you in problem solving and things like that. So, and again, Cambridge has a different assessment system, though the Cambridge also has a summative assessment, which plays a very important role. But it does give an opportunity for your child to express in their own language and develop skills related to the subjects, rather than only focusing on the marks as a criteria in summative assessment. Let's be honest, Natasha and my viewers, that one big factor in deciding which board to go for is also finance, whether it's India or UAE. Finance, because as we started the video with the say that education has become a costliest affair and you keep investing up every year and the investment grows every year.
Thank you so much, Kinnari, for sharing so much information today with us. And I'm sure it's been very, very helpful to all those parents and students out there.
Thank you.